why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust?
Is someone there?
Thomas, is that you?
Mr. Conductor! Mr. Conductor!
Thomas?
Oh, Mr. Conductor, where are you?
Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful